Swindon is a multicultural town, has a population of 230,000, and I think about 100 languages are spoken across the borough. Paediatric therapy produces reports for parents, and the challenge was that we were overspending our translation budget, and that was still only providing the legal minimum. In 2021, we translated around 400 documents. These were manually sent off for translation, translated and then returned, costing on average £159.81 and taking up to 19 days. We asked the emerging tech team for the impossible and they were able to deliver it.
The impossible was to create a solution for them that would help translate content faster, cheaper, easier.
We undertook a market assessment and looked at all the providers in the market to understand what was out there, and then worked with our community of bilingual speakers, and they helped us choose a solution based on quality.
What we did next was write a whole bunch of code, sit in the shoes of paediatric therapy and develop something that used that really high quality service in a way that would protect child information safely, that was really resilient for the team, really accessible, fast, low cost.
When Swindon showed us what they built, it became immediately apparent that this was game-changing for organisations like Swindon. But in fact, not just for Swindon, for local authorities and councils and municipalities around the world. We helped them make the solution more generic and also built in security and user management.
We were spending sort of £64,000 a year on translation costs. We're now spending £27. We were spending within that about £160 a document, and now it's down to 7 pence. And on 16 days to get that content out to the people who really need it now takes 14 minutes. The council didn't have to invest any capital up front in this solution, just the time of our amazing emerging tech team, and it pays for itself over and over again. The ROI is somewhere around 6.3 million% for this project.
I mean, it's a ridiculous ROI. When I first started the emerging technology team a few years ago, one of the conversations I had with Phil was around the principle of open sourcing the work that we do. Local government is not in competition with each other. We need to support each other. We all encounter the same problems and issues. We all provide the same services.
This project has had a massive impact in terms of how we can leverage digital transformation to solve problems in the council. So this has showcased how we can work innovatively, how we can work with those communities of residents, how we can work with suppliers to bring in new technology to the council, and has really set the benchmark in terms of project delivery and performance. It's delivering big financial savings, and it is also creating better, more efficient public services.